Good day. This round I would like to share with you a situation. Most of the time, people will just learn the techniques and skills, but not really understand the logic or rationale behind it, and how to use it and apply that appropriately and correctly. This can be easily known when the teacher or professor share a skill and explain lots of the reasons, history, and rationale behind it. Most of the people will fall asleep, lose focus or interest and not pay attention. Let's share a story to explain better. Alex worked in a convenience store. He is very hardworking and always did what the instruction given. One day, he scolded and punched by a customer. He complained this to his manager. The manager puzzled and asked, "Any idea what happened?" Alex answered, "Per the guideline indicated, when we hand over the receipt to the customer, we need to wish the customer good luck and hope he can win the jackpot. I just followed the instruction and wished the customer." Next, the manager asked what the customer bought. Alex answered, "Condom." Now you know the reason? Who bought the condom will not wish and want to hit the jackpot or get a baby. This reflects the situation where normally people will just learn the technique and skills but not really think and apply that in correct condition, situation, or appropriately. Thinking is a skill that can learn and keep practicing. Sometimes we realize that after the conversation, we can improve or convey better in another approach or rephrase it in differently. That means we actually have ability to think, just that the sequence are not in correct order. And sometimes the inner thought appear, we just give excuse. "I'm that kind of person," said what appear in my mind. One suggestion, why not just before we speak out or not sure if that appropriate, if we're going to answer in that way? Let's pause 1 second. Take a deep breath and tell the person, "Let me think of that a moment." That allow us to have a moment to really think of that. Also allow people to feel that we are really think and we take the conversation seriously. Another trick would be when we learn new skills, we try to apply it with a condition. If this condition happens, then the skill can apply. If not, better don't apply or use it. Example, when we learn a new communication skill, let's set if this situation, if with this environment, and if with this group of people, then we only use this skill. Else, avoid that. Summary, when we learn the new skills, we need to know the rationale behind it, when to apply it, and use it perfectly with the if condition apply. Hope you learned a point today and do like, subscribe, and share with others if that may help them too. Talk to you again soon. Bye.